Think of like moose tracks. When doesn't he snore? Never. When does he snore? All the time. Even when people aren't home, he snores. The best part about this is he leaves his mouth open. This is my brother-in-law. His name is Rolly. He should have taken his glasses off. Shh! Don't tell. There's my nephews under the blanket. Isn't that sweet? Same blanket as their daddy. See how it's pink and purple and blue? And here's my fiance.
What's up, y'all?
Sorry, you're off. Hi. My name's George. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. My name's Kylie. Hi.
What's wrong with you?
Myself. I'm making a video. I took a video of him